Okay, Anchorage, Alaska. We just lost power about 10 minutes ago on east side Anchorage. We lost power for about 10 minutes. Now the power's back on, but the gas pump is still activating, letting it reboot. We got about almost 8 inches of snow within the last 2 hours, and we're gonna get more snow throughout the night. Oh, the power just went out again. There it goes, guys. Just lost power. Completely blacked out here. There's power in the store, but right here we just lost power outside. Complete snowfall tonight. We haven't fully lost power on the street lights. It looks like the street lights are all still working, but this gas station is definitely on this gas station is on low grid right now or something. So I got to get some gas in case we do run out of power throughout the whole night. I can activate my generator. Definitely not prepared for this, but definitely got to be prepared, guys. In Alaska, everyone needs a generator, at least 3,000 to 5,000 watt generator, in case we do lose power. Sometimes we lose power, it's only for like a few hours or a few minutes, but sometimes it can get really bad. I don't know how long it's gonna last tonight, but definitely get your power, get your gas, your generator ready, have all your vehicle filled up with gas, have all your phone charged, have flashlights, have everything ready, man. This is Alaska. So right now it looks like the pump is still activating, but we lost all the lights, all the lights on the roof here. At least the street lights is still on, so that means the full grid wasn't down yet, but earlier it was about 10-15 minutes ago. So this is a quick report from the east side of Anchorage. So it looks like all those pumps are working, but this one here is still activating. We'll let this one boot up. This one is still booting up, warm start. Gas price $3.89. Starting application. There we go, ready to go. So quick update for Anchorage, Alaska. Stay safe out there. These right here are heated concrete. So these are heated sidewalks. That's why the snow is not sticking. It's more of a luxury. Sometimes you'll get a few vehicles that are in the way and they just kind of get buried like this. Some folks that park on this side of the parking lot right here, some of these belong to the military folks because they're right here by the military base. And some of the military folks, they tend to leave their car here for a long period of time. Don't know the reason why, but they do that. So most likely these are military vehicles.